Are you building the ultimate gaming PC in 2026 but unsure which motherboard deserves your money? From flagship AMD powerhouses to feature-packed Intel beasts, today's countdown reveals the top 5 best motherboards of 2026. Stay until number 1 because the winner delivers incredible performance, future-proof features, and unmatched value. Number 5. ASUS ROG Crosshair X870E Hero. The ASUS ROG Crosshair X870E Hero is a flagship M5 motherboard built for enthusiasts, gamers, overclockers, and content creators who demand top-tier performance. Designed around the AMD X870E chipset, it supports AMD Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors while delivering exceptional power delivery, advanced cooling, and cutting-edge connectivity. With its premium construction and futuristic ROG styling, this motherboard is ideal for building a high-end gaming or workstation PC. One of the biggest highlights of the Crosshair X870E Hero is its powerful 18+2+2 power stage VRM design, which provides stable and efficient power for even the most demanding Ryzen CPUs. This makes it an excellent choice for overclocking and maintaining peak performance during heavy workloads. ASUS also includes overclocking, iCooling 2, Dynamic OC switcher, and Core Flex technologies to help users maximize performance with minimal effort. Memory support is equally impressive. The motherboard features 4 DDR5 DIMM slots supporting up to 256 GB of RAM and speeds exceeding 8200 mt or s with compatible processors. ASUS NitroPath, DRAM technology, and Expo support help unlock faster memory performance for gaming and productivity applications. Storage options are abundant with 5 onboard M2 slots, including 3 PCIe 5.0 NVMe slots for ultra-fast SSDs, plus 4 SATA ports for additional drives. Gamers and creators can enjoy lightning-fast load times and massive storage expansion without compromise. Connectivity is another major strength. The Crosshair X870E Hero includes Wi-Fi 7, dual LAN with 5GB and 2.5GB networking, ASB ports, multiple high-speed USB connections, and PCIe 5.0 expansion slots for next-generation graphics cards and accessories. For anyone building a premium AMD gaming PC in 2026, the ASUS ROG Crosshair X870E Hero stands out as one of the most feature-packed and future-ready motherboards available, offering elite performance, outstanding expandability, and the reliability expected from the ROG lineup. Number 4. ASUS ROG Maximus Z890 Hero. The ASUS ROG Maximus Z890 Hero is a premium flagship motherboard designed for Intel Core Ultra 200 series Arrow Lake processors using the LGA1851 socket. It targets enthusiasts, gamers, overclockers, and content creators who want maximum performance, advanced connectivity, and extensive expansion options. One of its standout features is the powerful 22+1+2+2 power stage VRM design, providing exceptional stability for high-end CPUs and overclocking workloads. ASUS also includes overclocking, iCooling 2, iNetworking 2, and NPU Boost technologies to simplify performance tuning and system optimization. Memory support is among the best available on the Intel platform. The board features 4 DDR5 DIMM slots supporting up to 256 GB of memory with speeds exceeding DDR5 through overclocking. ASUS NitroPath, DRAM technology, DIMM Flex, DIMM Fit, and XMP support help users achieve maximum memory performance. Storage capabilities are equally impressive. The Maximus Z890 Hero offers 6 M2 slots, including 3 PCIe 5.0 NVMe slots and 3 PCIe 4.0 slots, along with 4 SATA ports and a SLIMSAS connector for additional storage flexibility. This allows builders to create massive, high-speed storage arrays for gaming, video editing, and professional workloads. Connectivity is another major strength. The motherboard includes Wi-Fi 7, dual Ethernet ports 5GBE and 5GBE, dual Thunderbolt for ports, multiple USB 10 GB per second ports, HDMI 2.1 output, PCIe 5.0 graphics support, and premium SupremeFS audio with an ESS-DAC for high-quality sound. The board has received praise for its premium build quality, cooling design, and extensive feature set. Though many enthusiasts note that its high price is best justified for users planning serious overclocking or high-end workstation builds, community discussions often describe it as one of the most feature-rich Intel motherboards available. For a top-tier Intel gaming or creator PC in 2026, the ASUS ROG Maximus Z890 Hero remains one of the strongest motherboard choices, delivering elite performance, future-ready connectivity, exceptional expansion options, and premium ROG aesthetics. Number 3. Gigabyte B850 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7. The Gigabyte B850 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7 is a feature-packed M5 motherboard designed for gamers and PC builders who want premium features without paying flagship X870E prices. Built on AMD's B850 chipset, it supports Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors, making it an excellent choice for modern gaming and productivity systems. One of the motherboard's strongest features is its robust 14+2+2 digital VRM design, which provides stable power delivery for CPUs such as the Ryzen 7 7800X3D, Ryzen 7 9800X3D, and Ryzen 9 processors. This ensures reliable performance during gaming, streaming, content creation, and moderate overclocking. Memory support is impressive, with 4 DDR5 DIMM slots supporting up to 256 GB of RAM and speeds reaching DDR5 8200+OC. The board supports both AMD Expo and Intel XMP memory profiles, allowing users to easily unlock higher memory performance. For storage, the B850 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7 includes 3 M.2 slots, including a PCIe 5.0 NVMe slot for next-generation SSDs, plus 4 SATA ports for additional storage drives. Community feedback has highlighted that all 3 M.2 slots can operate without reducing GPU bandwidth, which is a significant advantage for builders using multiple SSDs. Connectivity is another major highlight. The board offers Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, 2.5 GB Ethernet, PCIe 5.0 graphics support, USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C connectivity, and Q-Flash Plus for BIOS updates without a CPU installed. These features help make the motherboard highly future-proof. The motherboard has been well received by many PC builders for its value, strong VRM cooling, and feature set. Some users note that the audio solution is more basic than premium X870 boards, but overall it is widely considered one of the best mid-range M5 motherboards available. For gamers building a high-performance AMD PC in 2026, the Gigabyte B850 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7 delivers an excellent balance of performance, features, expandability, and price, making it one of the strongest value-oriented M5 motherboards on the market. Number 2. Gigabyte X870E AORUS Master. The Gigabyte X870E AORUS Master is a premium enthusiast-grade M5 motherboard built for gamers, overclockers, and content creators who want flagship-level performance. Powered by AMD's X870E chipset, it supports Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors while offering extensive PCIe 5.0 connectivity, advanced cooling, and high-end networking features. One of the motherboard's biggest strengths is its robust 16+2+2 twin digital VRM design with 110 smart power stages, combined with an 8-layer PCB and premium power components. It delivers excellent stability for high core count Ryzen CPUs such as the Ryzen 99950X and Ryzen 99950X3D. Memory support is equally impressive. The board features 4 DDR5 DIMM slots supporting up to 256 GB of RAM and speeds reaching DDR5 8600+OC. It supports both AMD Expo and Intel XMP memory profiles, allowing enthusiasts to maximize memory performance with ease. For storage, the X870E AORUS Master offers 4 M.2 slots, including 3 PCIe 5.0 NVMe slots and 1 PCIe 4.0 slot, alongside 4 SATA ports. This provides exceptional flexibility for high-speed SSD configurations and large-capacity storage setups. Connectivity is another major highlight. The motherboard includes Wi-Fi 7, 5GB LAN, dual USB 4 Type-C ports with up to 40 GB per second bandwidth, PCIe 5.0 graphics support, HDMI 2.1, and a premium audio solution. These features make it highly future-proof for gaming, streaming, and professional workloads. Gigabyte has also focused heavily on user-friendly design features, including EZ latch mechanisms for tool-free M2 and GPU installation, QFlash plus BIOS updates, SmartFan 6 controls, and large VRM and SSD heatsinks for improved cooling performance. Community feedback has generally praised the board's performance, VRM quality, and feature set. Some users have reported BIOS-related memory tuning issues or isolated chipset temperature concerns, though many of these discussions point toward firmware updates resolving stability problems. As with most high-end M5 boards, keeping the BIOS updated is recommended. For a top 5 best motherboards of 2026 video, the Gigabyte X870E AORUS Master is a strong contender for a top 3 position thanks to its flagship features, excellent power delivery, PCIe 5.0 expansion, and next-generation connectivity.